That's right. Samantha is the best stock analyst I've come across in my many years in the financial planning and financial predicting business. Built her around the first of the year, actually employed her as of May of 2025. And thus far, our portfolio, even with the pullback that we've had in the last 30 days, is up 163% over the last 15 months. But I was basically each day, particularly during earnings period, submitting her ticker symbols against the 4.5-page prompt that I built for her to analyze growth stocks for me. And the parameter is if it isn't going to double in 3 years, we're not interested. So about 2 weeks ago, Trent built on the website the ability to give all of our tribe members access to Samantha. So all they had to do was enter a ticker symbol, and in about 3 minutes, it generated on the website a full analysis with projections of what the price of the stock was going to be over the next 3 years, January 2027, 28, and 29. So in that period of time, Samantha's in the last 2 weeks done 214 stocks. So it's more than twice what I had done in the preceding 15 months. And it really opened things up. Well, first of all, we had to make some arrangements because we switched from the $200 a month ChatGPT to the pay-as-you-go, the token program, for which there's a lot of confusion. And I really don't know what it's going to cost me on a monthly basis, because I know that 214 is going to grow as our tribe members gain confidence and understanding of how to use it. I'm even using it on a regular basis. We've at this point given them a limit of 5 per billing period, and since we bill on a monthly basis, on August 1st they'll all have 5 more, and I think that number will probably skyrocket over 500. And once we get our billing, then we'll determine if 5 is the limit or if there's more. But I think the learning is that Samantha has a brain. We ran into some confusion because the numbers I was getting from my input through my $200 a month ChatGPT and the number the tribe were getting were not matching up. And what we learned is that what we have on the pay-as-you-go does not have the memory that we have with Samantha on the $200 a month program. And so we've had to basically build a database to repopulate Samantha's brain to get the two of them on the same page. But it has opened up. I mean, again, you can imagine, I only was looking at about something in the neighborhood of probably 40 stocks. The tribe is bringing us into a number of other stocks that I hadn't considered, and we're coming across some that are not just getting a 100% return in 2 and 3 years, but a 500% return. And so it's now put me in a position, and what I'm doing today is saying, yeah, that 110% looks good, but it sure doesn't look as good as the 300%. And so I'm selling some stocks that I felt were good and going to achieve our a double in 3 years, but now 100% isn't good enough. And I'm sharing this number one, to explain to my tribe members exactly what's going on and why they're seeing so much trading from me going on, and getting rid of some stocks that I used to be speaking very highly of, and now I'm selling them. Because again, you've got to look at it and say, you only got so much money. Where am I going to get the biggest bang for my buck? And so now I just entered a prompt to Samantha here. One of the stocks I was not familiar with came up, and it's a company that is nonprofit, but it is making reactors or generators out of nuclear uranium that I think are going to be a big part of the data center and anybody else who needs electricity. I think that whole area is going to explode. But this one, and in fact, it's one of those that is projecting it'll have a 500% growth over the next 3 years. But it's really dependent on the execution and the adoption of the allowing and the comfort zone that we're going to have uranium and nuclear reactors on a small scale next to our homes, or in some cases next to data centers and this like. So what I did was I have two uranium stocks. One is a mining stock, and the other one is one who creates generators. And then this third one, who is kind of a nonprofit and really stretching. So I just went to her and I said, here are three stocks that are in the same category, in that they're generating electricity through the use of nuclear and producing nuclear power. Relate them to each other for me so I understand how they relate, and then give me the projections on their future price under things are just conservative, things are go as they expect, and then also that nuclear becomes very acceptable and very adaptable, and everybody says that's going to solve the problems that we have of using people's electricity. We'll produce our own. Because I think that's what's going to have to happen. These data centers are not going to get by with coming into Birmingham, Alabama, and raising my and everybody else's electric bill to make money. No, they're going to have to generate their own electricity, and I think they are the first ones, if they can get the permits in the communities, they're going to adapt to nuclear. Because again, it's so right for them. And again, I'm asking Samantha to basically give me her opinion. Is this what the future holds? And should I already own two of the stocks. Should I double down on them? And should I go into the third one? So I just wanted to kind of bring you up to speed as to what I'm doing and how I believe that this is the best stock analysis tool I have ever seen, where I can get 214 stocks analyzed, and then I can go in and sort them so that I can make a good investment decision every day. Check it out. In fact, we have a program going on right now that will give you 30 days free look, no credit cards, no nothing. Just come to the website, find your way to Ask Samantha, and take a look at it. And then again, I want to mention, if there's anybody out there who's involved in education on the investment level, for universities, I'd love to make this available to you for free, so that young students can come to understand the potential for generating wealth in the stock market. If you know what you own and if you know the right questions to ask, I think we can revolutionize the stock market. And again, these numbers that I've achieved, I just saw something on CNBC about some young 24-year-old man who had blown the numbers up and got fantastic results, and then the market turned on him, and Citadel is coming in and buying him out. But he used leverage. He was doubling down and borrowing money. I use no leverage. That 163% is just invested capital and return on the capital. It's no 2x mutual funds, and it's no brokerage account leverage being used in that. It's just my money invested $1 at a time. Okay, come to the website, take a look at it, and again, if you're involved in universities, reach out to me.